Hi, we're going to now read the fifth reading of Vayera, and God remembered Sarah. The promise that seemed forgotten, the dream that had dried up, suddenly lives again. She laughs. Not the laugh of disbelief this time, but the laugh of a woman who never thought she would feel joy again. She names her son Yitzchak. He will laugh, because sometimes laughter is the only language strong enough for tears. The child grows, the house fills with music, and yet in the corner another mother watches. The promise that gave Sarah joy now pushes Hagar towards Sarah. Drive out this woman and her son. Abraham keeps quiet, because sometimes obedience feels like betrayal. He rises early, puts bread and water on her shoulder, and sends her into the desert where the sun burns and hope melts. When the water is gone, she lays her child under a bush and walks away, because she cannot bear to watch him die. And God heard the voice of the boy, not her voice. Why not hers? Why does heaven hear the child before the mother? Maybe because the child still believes. Maybe because faith sounds different when it hasn't learned despair. And the angels call, "What troubles you, Hagar? Fear not." And suddenly her eyes open, and she sees a well. And the water was there all along, just hidden by heartbreak. How many times have I done the same? Given up one step too soon. Stopped believing one breath before the well appeared.